I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do at the end of your quarter or semester or when you are finished with your class. There are two options that you can do. You can archive your class and to refer to later, or you can delete your class. One thing to think about that's kind of confusing that caught me off guard initially was if you want to delete your class, two things to think about. First, you have to archive it before you can delete it. You cannot just delete it from this option. You have to archive it, then delete it. The other thing with deleting your class is that once you delete it, it is gone permanently. There is no recovering. When it comes to archiving or deleting a class, the only people that can do so is the teacher and the co-teacher. If you'd like to archive your class, you go to your class list, hit the three dots, select archive. Okay, go ahead. Now, say in a couple semesters you have that class again and you want to refer to that class and the options and the assignments and everything that you put in there. You're going to hit your three lines on the left. You're going to scroll down and you see archive classes. There's archive classes. When I want to bring it back, hit the three dots and I restore. When it's restored, I return to my main classes page and it is back. While your class is archived, you, your co-teacher, and the students that are still in it, can still access the files on Google Drive, even though it is archived. Pretty simple and an effective tool for down the road.